Discover the sweet taste of Brazil with this detailed Brigadeiro recipe. A beloved classic that brings joy to any occasion. Brigadeiros are not just treats. They're a celebration of rich, chocolatey flavors wrapped in a gooey texture, making every bite a delightful experience. Ingredients: 114 ounces can of sweetened condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, sifted for smoothness, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, plus extra for rolling, chocolate sprinkles for decoration. Optional: crushed nuts or coconut flakes for variety. Instructions: 1. Prepare the mixture in a medium, non-stick saucepan. Combine the sweetened condensed milk, sifted cocoa powder, and butter. 2. Cook with care. Place the saucepan over low heat, stirring continuously until the mixture thickens. 3. Cooling down. Let the mixture cool to room temperature. 4. Shaping the brigadeiros. Grease your hands with butter and roll the mixture into balls. 5. Decoration. Roll each ball in chocolate sprinkles, or for variety, use crushed nuts or coconut flakes. 6. Serving. Place the brigadeiros in paper cups for a traditional presentation. Tips for perfect brigadeiros: for a softer texture, cook the mixture for a shorter time. For firmer brigadeiros, cook it a bit longer. Experiment with different flavors by adding vanilla extract or cinnamon.